I want to help you sell more on Shopify. And to do this, we're going to need help. There's just so many things that we can do in a day by ourselves that it's almost impossible to do everything. But for this, we're going to get help from affiliates, and they're going to bring in the sales for you, and it's going to turn into a win-win situation. They're going to earn a commission, and you're going to sell more and earn more. For this, we're going to use on our Shopify store UpPromote. Basically, it has everything that you're going to need to set up your affiliate marketing to bring in sales. So let me show you what I'm talking about right now. Let's get started with UpPromote. On this video, I want to show you the main features of UpPromote, and in that process, I'm going to show you how to set up most of UpPromote. There's so many features and details that it's impossible to go all through them in one single video, but I'll do my best. So let me get started. First, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to UpPromote so you can check it out. Now let me jump into my Shopify store. In my Shopify store, I already have UpPromote installed in my apps section. If you don't have it installed, go to the search bar, search UpPromote. Here we go. And since I have it already, I see it here. But if not, go to UpPromote in Shopify App Store. So it's going to take you to this section, and here it is. It's the first one. So I'm going to select it. And you're going to see here that I have open app. That's because I already have it. If not, it'll say something like install. Okay. And once you have it installed, you're going to be able to view it just like this. So you'll have a panel inside of Shopify for UpPromote. But in this case, let's jump over to the main page of UpPromote. Now, this is my main panel of UpPromote. Let me show you the main features of UpPromote, and then we're going to jump into the settings to help you set it up. Okay. So in this process, first, let's go into programs. Now, before this, there's the setup process of 1, 2, 3, 4, which will take you to the quick setup, but there's still some things that you want to set up on your own. And that's things that you're going to see right now. So in this case, programs. The programs means that we're able to set up the commission structure for different type of affiliates. So in this case, there's a standard affiliate. It's a percentage sale. It's a 10%. The total affiliates signed up for this particular program, and if it's active, and if it's the default. In this case, it's the default. If I want to edit this, I can go ahead and edit the program, and I can view it here. So I can change the name, change the description, the type. In this case, you can see it's percentage, but we can also use flat rate and flat rate per order. So per item and per order. But it depends if you want to promote a particular item or just the whole order. The rule, if it's going to be a fixed commission or commission on order value. The amount for this percentage, remember, this is like the basic tier. It's standard affiliate commission. It's 10%. Do we want to exclude shipping and taxes? Yes, in most cases you want to, because you don't want to give commissions for the shipping or the taxes. Automatic discount for customers. So if we enable this, we can set a coupon and it'll automatically provide that discount. So a defined coupon, affiliate coupon is the one that I created. We can enter a defined coupon if we like, but in this case, I'll disable it. New customer commission. So if you want to give them an additional commission, if it's someone new, if it's not someone recurring, well, that's a good option. So it incentivizes the affiliate to search for new customers, not just bring in the same ones over and over. Now, this one could be a percentage, a flat rate per item, and flat rate per order. So it's going to be a percentage. And if it's a new customer, we're going to bring it up to 20% in this case. Okay. Lifetime commissions. Again, if you want to enable this, we can set a date for this. And if we don't set a date, it'll be just forever. Coupon code for commissioning. So if you want to provide a coupon, that is possible also. So it could be any coupon or the affiliate coupon, and the amount, in this case, we'll set it to 20% just for testing purposes. Disabling commissions for self-referral. Yes, we want to enable that because we don't want the affiliates to earn commissions based on their own purchases. So obviously that's like standard, but in my case, I think they should enable that by default, but it's off. Up to you. Okay. Payment methods. So those are the one I have enabled. I can save changes for this one and we're good to go. Now this process is the same for creating new programs. I've created a second one, which is the elite affiliate, which earns 30% instead of 10%. And I can assign these programs to particular affiliates. So if someone is really popular, has a big, huge database, we can give them the elite affiliate percentage, okay, per se. Or we can add a new one if we like. Next is we have affiliates. So affiliates that sign up via the form, or if you add them manually, then you view them here. And yes, you can tie the affiliate program to them. So if I add a new affiliate, and in this case, for example, send notifications to email affiliate, yes, because we want them to know they signed up. The Chrome program, it'll be the elite affiliate for this one. name, email, set password for it, or auto generate a password for them, and you go ahead and add them. You can also import affiliates via bulk. Okay, so that means that if you already have another program that you want to bring it in to UpPromote, it is possible via the CSV. All you have to do is download the template you're going to need here and use that template to bring in the affiliates, and then you upload it. Okay, so it's super easy to create the affiliates and tie them to different programs if you need to. Okay, now referrals. So affiliate referrals means that when a customer makes a purchase on Shopify, we're going to be able to view that via ID. It's tied to the store that you have and the sales. So via the sales, we can also tie these and release the order. So the commission is released. So in this case, you can see the status is pending. Once we mark that order on Shopify, we can mark it as sent or finished, whatever, and it's going to mark it over here also. So it's tied with the other one. You also have the customer referrals for this. Now there's a really neat video here that helps you understand exactly what it does. But in this case, we're going to jump into the next one. So next is the process payments. So once the affiliates start earning commissions and they hit the mark for the minimum payment, we're going to view them here to start doing the bulk payments. You can start process by bulk payments right here. The analytics for this, for obviously we don't have sales right now. You can see the total affiliates, the referrals, total sales, total clicks, and all the details that you're going to need for your marketing purposes. Next is growth. So in growth, we're going to be able to view the coupon and tools. You can generate coupons. That coupons are tied to affiliates. So like I mentioned, so that means that if they share the coupon and not just the link, they can also earn a commission by sharing the coupon. So in this case, I created one just for testing purposes, but let's go ahead and create one right now. So add a coupon, and we're going to name this test for video. That's going to be the coupon. And it's going to be a fixed amount, percentage, or free shipping. So it depends what you want to do. Free shipping is pretty cool, especially when you charge for shipping. So it's kind of cool that affiliates get that kind of incentive for their customers or their fans, actually. That is pretty cool. Percentage type, we're going to set it as 10%, for example, with the coupon code. Affiliates. So in this case, I'm going to tie it to this affiliate. Here we go. And you can add the ones that you want to tie it to. Okay, so this particular coupon is for that one. Okay, and we're not going to add a note for this. We're going to add coupon. Here we go. So if this person shares any of these coupons, it's going to work for them. Okay, they're going to earn that commission even if they don't use the link. So just by using the coupon, they can earn that commission. So it's pretty cool. Next is media gallery. This media gallery is gallery that like your logos, your brand, etc., everything that has to do with it, like pictures of your products that affiliates can use. They will see this on their portal, and I'll show you that portal in a bit. Okay, bonuses, you can set an additional bonus for different type of situations. So let me go ahead and create one right now. I already created one, but I'll do another one. So I'll just name this test, select the program, and it's going to be for the elite affiliates only, and it's going to be based on number of referrers. So if they referral 10 people, they'll earn a commission. And in this case, I'll say total sales. So if they sell $1,000, it's gonna be one time, or it can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Count current or future sales. So it'll count the sales that they made already. In this case, I wouldn't recommend that. You want to start it off from the future. So set it, just leave it as it is if you like. And it's gonna be a fixed amount, and we're going to give them $100. So once the elite affiliates reach $1,000 of sales, they're going to earn a bonus of $100. And yes, I'm aware. Let's go ahead and add this. And now the elite affiliates get that extra incentive to sell more. So it's like I said, it's those little tools that help them sell more, promote more actually, and gifts. So let's do gifts. And again, let's go ahead and create a new gift. Here we go. And we're going to say again, test. And we're going to give the gift type, free gift, or discounted products as a gift. We're going to add a free gift. And in this case, it's going to be the product. In this case, I don't have products, but I can add like a t-shirt that we want to give away to affiliates once they earn something. So that is possible by creating gifts. Affiliate recruitment, convert customers to affiliate. So these are additional tools that are added on your store. So for example, the customer referral, that's what it is. The program, the percentage, 10%. And once you save this, you add it to your store. Now, this is my store right now. And what it did, it added this, refer and earn. So when someone is scrolling to your store, you click on the refer and earn, and they can obviously sign up. So that's what it is. Okay, it's super easy. Post-purchase pop-up. Again, if you want to enable this, there's the design for it. You can see the pop-up here. We can go ahead and set all this up. Email templates, custom CSS if you want to really customize this, and enable it. Convert signed up customers. So that means that when someone purchases something, just by making a purchase, they can get activated as an affiliate. Now, I think a lot of people would like this, and I think some other people won't. It's like, I don't want to sign up. If I want to do it, I would do it. So it just depends if you want to enable that or not. Okay. And then you have the details for this. Okay. Multi-level. So if you want to allow affiliates to earn from other affiliates that they sign up. So it's pretty cool. It helps them search for other affiliates. So it's like a chain. That's what it does. Okay. And again, the program, you can start with the standard affiliate, the elite affiliates. So if elite affiliates make this process, you can activate it. The program commission by total sales, we'll leave it as program commission. And the program for invited affiliates to join would be the standard. In this case, it's going to be like a lower tier. So the elites can sign up standard affiliate commissions. Okay. Recruitment bonus. So we're going to give them $10 for each one of these people, and commission and levels. So maximum 20 levels, and you can set more levels here and start it. Okay. So let me go ahead and save this, and we're good to go with that one. Next is marketplace listings. So in this section, it helps the influencers find and apply to your program offers. It's a program that we've created. So you can see this is the structure, how they view it. The standard affiliate commission, it's what we set up. If I select the affiliate, see how it changes to 30%, the name, and they view the details for this particular program, and it helps them know what they are signing up for. Okay. Then we have the email and chat. So the email setup, here we go. All the emails that we need to set up here, what we need to enable or disable for the emails. Chat with affiliates. So if you want to enable this, it'll open up a pop-up window for chat with the affiliates only. So let me show you really quickly with this instructional video that they have. So let me jump over here. Here it is. You can see they have a pop-up and they can chat, obviously us, the store owner, with the affiliates. So it's pretty useful to get in touch with them via the affiliate panel. And then we have the settings. But before I jump into the settings, I want to show you the affiliate panel, how they actually view it once they sign up. So this is an affiliate panel where I am logged in. This is my name, Jorge Aguilar, and I'm in the program details. In this case, I'm a standard affiliate, so I can view my affiliate details, my affiliate link that I need to share, my coupon codes. In this case, I'm going to refresh it because I think I have 2 codes now tied to my account. Let me go ahead and, yeah, here it is. Here's the 2 coupon codes. And if I share these coupons, I'm going to earn a commission. I can view my performance, my order items. So there are a lot of details that I can view. Program details, the bonuses. So here's the bonuses for this. I can view what my goal is going to be to earn that extra bonus. Okay. And again, I can view all the details here. The commissions that I've made, the payments, the marketing tools. Like I mentioned before, there's the section where you upload images and all the details that can help the affiliates. So just go ahead and upload them here. Settings for my particular account. There you go. And the guide. So you have all these details available here for the actual affiliates. And next, let's go check out settings. In the settings, there's a lot of things that obviously need set up. So start setting this up. So in this case, I'll set up my logo, my 5 icon, the default commission structure. So in this case, standard affiliate is the default one. If I want to use elite, I'll select it here. And the cookie is going to last for 30 days. If you want to set 15, 60, 100, whatever you want, just set it up here. Okay. Notifications, all the setup for the notifications here. Affiliate link and coupons, what you need to enable and disable. So if you want to use the coupons for the affiliates, you need to enable tracking by coupon. So just go ahead and enable that. And check these out one by one. So what you want to set up, enable or disable, just do it here. Product analytics. So we want to view product analytics, display on affiliate dashboard also. So if you don't want the affiliates to view this, go ahead and disable it. Payment settings. So the payment options that I want to allow. So affiliates understand that they can use PayPal or bank transfer in this case. And I have all these other options that I can set up. Okay. The scheduled auto payment, if I want to set this up. So if you want to set this as set and forget, that is possible. I think most people don't want to have this as default because some affiliates do some tricks. So you want to avoid that. But if you want to do so, go ahead and do it. Okay. Integrations, it can integrate with all of these. UpPromote right now. So see this. Okay. Fraud protection, avoid affiliates doing some tricky things. Detect multiple signups from an IP. Yes, we want to enable that. And how many seconds for it? The regional limits, if you want to enable regional limits. In this case, I don't. Hide registration from the search engine. Maybe you want to hide it. Sales and commissions. Detect duplicate referrals from an IP. Yes, we don't want to apply the same referral for the same IP. Okay. Advanced message bar. So if you want to enable this and set the messages for them, so just test message. Here we go. That's how it's going to look. Connect multiple stores. So if you have multiple Shopify stores and you want to use UpPromote on them, that is possible. Staff accounts to obviously have them help you, and the affiliate admin. So the registration form. What details do you need? In this case, this is how it's going to look for one of them. This is the standard affiliate commission. If I want to view the elite one, it's going to change. Here we go. And then we can change the font. We can change the background, sidebar, all these details, logos, etc. for each one of these. So if you want to customize it for individual for each program, you can. Okay, let's go back. There's also the guide page. Here we go. We can edit this right here. Login form. Here's the login form with the logo that I have. Here's the forgot password. We can edit that. The button text, button background, custom CSS to make it really customizable, the captcha, and translate. Account language. Let's go ahead and leave this. If you want to change it here, right now it's English. We can change it. Allow affiliates to select language. In my case, I would say yes. Auto detect languages, yes. But that would depend on you if you want to enable that or not. The account text. Okay, it's English by default. The VAT, the taxes that you want to set here, and all of this information. Like I said, go through it with calm and set it up. And the account customization. You have your payment settings, dashboard profile for first login page. The payment settings is going to be the first for the login page, the custom CSS, custom JavaScript, and commission information. So all that goes along with UpPromote. So I can dare say that UpPromote has everything that you're going to need for your affiliate program on your Shopify store. So basically, if you want to build an army of affiliates, UpPromote is the way to go. So check it out. Like I said, super easy to install on Shopify and start bringing in affiliates to bring in those sales for you. But if you want to check out UpPromote, don't forget to check out the link in the description and basically let me know what you think about it. And that's a wrap.